Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Guys, guess where I'm at? You know where I'm at. Woo! We got my boy Alex's car. Got Ariel's car. And we have a sick car that Alex is working on. And it's honestly one of my favorite. I wouldn't buy this car, but it's one of my favorite cars just because Akon rapped about it. We have a Lamborghini Gallardo. It's a little ugly because Alex is taking off the wrap and he's gonna re-wrap it. That's crazy. Who would have thought Alex would be working on a Lambo? But yeah, this thing is crusty. Oh, that is disgusting. Hola, papi. Guys, check this out. Dude, his shop looks so good now. And he's taking apart my car.
Yeah, what's new? Always the same thing with you.
Alright, so if you guys are wondering why I'm here, I miss Alex, I haven't seen him in forever. And he gave me some ideas because he always does the coolest things to his car, and I'm copying him.
You didn't even like it. You said, you're broke, you should have got a Rolex.
I didn't say that, I said it would be funny to put a Rolex. No. Not a real one, but
we know what you said.
Alright, so Alex took everything apart just to get to this vent because we are sticking a boost gauge. Nah, he came up with a cool idea to put a Samsung watch. Very cost effective, freaking super sleek, and it's just so cool.
We're gonna make it work somehow.
Well, you already made it work on your car.
Yeah, yours is different.
Why?
I don't know.
Just to give you guys a comparison, look at how tall Alex is to me. I have the camera right at my eye level, and like, it's not filming while it's going like that. For all you boys out there, he's 6'7".
Not even. 7 foot, get it right. Ta-da!
That does look sick. Wait, why is mine different? Yours isn't silver on the side, huh? Which I don't mind. I think that's cool.
No, because you're a chrome boy, so you get chrome. You're welcome.
Thanks, Papi. And that's not the only thing we're doing. Alex also put me on ambient lighting. I've always wanted it. He just started doing it. He did it on his car. Now he's doing it on customer cars. And so far, everyone's been loving it, right? Yeah, so he kind of convinced me. We grabbed a kit, and we're going to install it. 420. So if you guys didn't know, since it's an external clock, it needs to be charged.
My clock doesn't work.
And we're gonna plug it into my USB.
Alex doesn't know what he's doing. My clock doesn't work.
Alex, my clock broke. Sheesh. Boost gauge.
Stupid.
I still think this one's better.
Always 420.
Yep. Always 420. Sheesh. That looks so good. It just looks nice when it's off. Like just black.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Papi.
You're welcome, sir. Easiest $500 I ever made.
So Alex, now what? Now what are we doing?
Yes. I broke it.
So I guess we're putting lighting there. He's gonna shove it somewhere here. I'm assuming we're gonna go here. We're gonna do the rear doors. I don't know if he wants to. And I guess there's one for the speaker too. I don't want to put it in here because, I don't know, I feel like it's kind of lame. No offense.
Wow. I've heard it all.
I don't think I got a chance to tell you guys, but I recently got into film a few months ago. I bought a Canon AE1 program. I got this camera specifically because it's the only AE I'll ever own. The sun finally came out, so I'm gonna take some photos of their car. I need to burn through this roll of film. Yeah, let's see what kind of shots I can get. Alright guys, so Alex found a better way for us to mount the watch. I was using electric tape, and I forgot the clock comes with this. We're gonna hot glue this bitch on.
Why are you giving away our secrets?
Okay, but remember, it's this way, not this way.
Yeah, I gotta get it off first.
Up and down, not side to side. My motor! Alex, I feel like you're having more fun working on this.
I'd rather do this than work on your car. Cars are boring. Custom watches are better.
Check out this shirt. Ariel, can you film this real quick? Bro, the shirt is so fire.
Wow.
Fucker.
Gucci, do you know anyone shooting music videos right now? You wanna be in one? I need another one. Sheesh. 420. I don't even smoke.
You can never take it off.
Sick. Swag, niggas.
You like it? I love it. Icebox?
I could be like your rich baby dad.
Let that coochie breathe.
Sheesh. That is so cool. I know we're not done yet, but thank you. Dude, it's game changer. I like it. Tap it. Oh, it broke already. Hey! So I think red is cool. Red is fire. I'll rock red. I'll probably go back to white for a little bit. I need to see it at night.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not bad. That's fire. So while Alex is doing the ambient lighting and finishing it up, check it out. Look who came. He doesn't like to show his face on camera, but I love to show his car. Kevin! He came with his Tesla, new Street Hunter kit, courtesy of TJ Hunt. They designed it together. Took this car to SEMA. Hey, look, there he is.
I need my laptop.
Cover your face. And he put the Blitz back on. Dude, the new lip is fire.
The whole kit is fire.
Yeah, everything is, it flows. Oh, you didn't have hard lines before, right?
I did in the front, but now I put it in the back.
So now you have a front.
I have a front now. That's where all my tools are.
Damn, that's clean. Oh, dude, this is sick. Dude, he put this in, freaking, oh my god, this is so nice. And you still have your volume buttons and everything. Oh my god, this feels freaking awesome. I love how small it is. It's smaller than a normal wheel, huh?
Honestly, I think it's pretty big.
Maybe it's because it's not concave, but I like.
joking. I'm making a side joke.
It's a 330. I think it's the same size as my ES.
340, 330. But yeah, it works.
Oh, that's baller. No way. All right, later.
All right, bye.
Can I borrow your wheel? Dude, guys, look. Kevin has the same exact one I just bought on Amazon. But I had to replace it and get a new one because 2 rear ones weren't working for some reason.
Really?
Yeah. What do you got?
Not
What do you
this
got?
one. This one.
You just have this on deck all the time.
On dick.
After 3 hours of me distracting Alex. You guys can ignore the Rainbow Road. It looks sick. I'm gonna leave it on white. We got it over here. The rear ones have it too, but I have to fully turn on the car. I don't know. It looks pretty cool. Thank you, Alex. Oh, I fucking killed it. Guys, check this out. All I have to do, unlock. It is disgusting. I wish I could do white, and I keep complaining to him, but at least we got a nice watch out of it.
Thanks for talking about my work.
No, your work is
You
amazing.
never say anything
it's the
good.
Product. It's the product.
It is the product.
Alex is letting me sit in the Gallardo. Oh shit, this doesn't even open all the way. Oh, it's butterfly, huh? Woo!
Why does that one do that? This one does too.
Gay. So this is what it feels like to be in a Gallardo. I feel like Akon. Lamborghini Gallardo. This needs to be a gated transmission. I don't know why this is not. And why are the paddle shifters so damn high up? I'm just complaining about this freaking expensive car. Why is this Alcantara all fucked up?
This is from Amazon. There's no way this is from Lamborghini.
Hey Kevin. What's up? Is this a cigarette lighter? Just pull it out.
That's the shift knob.
Prius shift
Why
knob.
does this look
It's
Colado.
It's cool. Throw on some BBS's, air suspension, fix everything else, and dump another 50 grand into it, and we're good.
I'd stand the shit out of this car for
Wait.
fun.
Hey, you look good in that car. You look like Champagne Poppy.
Look like you borrowed it from your dad.
I hope you guys all have had a great Christmas. I'm here outside with my dog. Hey Haru. Hey baby. I've been enjoying this mod for the last few days now, and it has been awesome. I absolutely love the way it looks. For the ambient lighting, you can't really see any of it unless it's on. I've also had issues with my daily. I have not seen this car for about a week, and it sucks too because I told you guys I really love this car. I actually took it on a little trip, drove it to Disneyland and back with full car. This happened. So yeah, gotta plastic weld that, put it back in, and it should be good. I also broke the fuel tank. I think it broke from old age because the car is not low enough to hit anything. Let me see if I can get you guys a quick look. You guys can see brand new fuel tank. It's silver and it's brand new. It used to be like a dark black brown and it was leaking a lot of fuel. So we got that swapped out. I will insert a clip of it right here. It was leaking so much, but at a slow rate. It was weird. So I thought that maybe it could have been gaskets or a kink line or something, but it was actually the tank itself, which I was hoping that it wouldn't be. It was leaking at the seams, so we put in a new tank, and I've had to deal with that, which was a little annoying because I love this car. It's my daily driver. I love driving it around. Nothing wrong with this car. I love this car. I still need to get the front bumper fixed. If you guys don't remember, yeah, it's a little ugly, but still drives, gets the job done. Still doesn't look that bad from far away. I also put in these sick mirrors on the ES. I didn't film it because I didn't think that I'd be able to do it, and I was able to do it off camera, and I'm so stoked. We put on some aero mirrors, and I couldn't be more proud. They're on there, really good. They're like fake Ganadors. They're tilted up a little bit, but I mean, that's the style. I also made it gloss black to go with the rest of the car. They came in like this weird gel looking black, so I went ahead and transformed it into gloss black, and I think it came out pretty good. So the visibility on these mirrors aren't the best. You can see it's kind of small, but gets the job done, and it's so crazy that I was able to make it work. The only thing is I need to put weather stripping here so then it'll cover up that bolt. These mirrors are actually meant for a 240 SX, and I am beyond stoked that I was able to make it work. Dude, it looks so cool. Honestly, once I get the rest of the aero fitted on, rewrap the car, it'll look so good. But damn, that is insane. Easily one of the coolest mods I've done. The thing that sucks is this car doesn't really have a market when it comes to aftermarket parts, so I just have to kind of buy things and hope that I can make it fit. This car is really coming along. Easily my favorite car. This car, I love it too, but definitely needs work. Let's show you guys how the ambient lighting looks. So this is how it looks when it turns on. Not a huge fan of the animation, but whatever. And it just goes to red. I put it on a lower brightness, so you can kind of see that it's a darker red. This, all I have to do is just tap and it shows the time. You can change it to any color. The reason why I have it on red and not anything else is because I originally wanted it to be white, but the thing with RGB modules is that you can never really get a true white. It's kind of difficult. Some can give you a true white, like my star lights on the back give me a warm white or a true LED white. But for some reason, this module gives me more of a bluish white, and we tried every setting to try to get it close to white as I can, like a true LED white. The only way to achieve that is to have it be full brightness, and it's like too bright for me, especially at night. And the thing that sucks too is I'm a little picky, and I noticed a little hue of blue in there, and I'm colorblind, so if I can see it, then it's for sure blue. I mean, other than that, this thing has been awesome. It's been an awesome mod. I absolutely love it. Huge thank you once again to Alex for making this all possible at Socal AutoWorks. I am beyond stoked. It's something that I've been wanting on this car for so long, and finally have it done. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed Christmas, and I hope you have a happy new year. This year has been a crazy year, and I really hope next year will be even better, because next year I feel like everyone's gonna have a good year. 24 is my favorite number, so I'm hoping it'll be just filled with amazing things and opportunities. Plans, hopefully get this car fixed. I really want to fix it. I also need to take this car to my buddy David and have him shave everything here, because I noticed when I air out, the fender pokes out a little bit, and also this comes out a little bit. Definitely need to have that fixed and have clearance. Gotta fix this because this bugs the hell out of me. Gotta lift it back up again so then there's tight fitment, and just respray the whole bumper and fix all the fiberglass. For this car, we have the body kit. I cannot wait to put on the body kit. It's gonna make the car honestly like this much lower, and I don't know if I want that. I don't it's gonna be pretty low. It's gonna be like this high off the ground. Same thing for the front. We got the rear spats too. Can't wait for that. And we just need to rewrap the car. I got a little bit of overspray when I was spraying the mirrors, but I don't really care because I need to rewrap this car anyways. It's just failing. All the seams and everything, nothing's really lifting, but the wrap itself is not in the best condition anymore. This car, I cannot wait to finish, even though it's just a daily, and just take it to car meets and car shows and just hang out, because this is the sickest car. It'd be really cool if that car is like somewhat presentable, like I get the wheels refinished and just make it the most beautiful looking daily, and I take both of my cars to a car show. I think that'd be kind of cool. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hope you guys end the year strong so we can start the next chapter of our lives. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video next year. Haru, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.